What up, gang? What up, gang? Happy New Year's, everybody. Happy New Year's. Your boy Daniel Savage here, giving you the first breakdown of 2024. And this is my first trade of 2024. Absolutely fucking slaughtered. Absolutely killed it. Now, I hope you guys enjoy the fucking ride for 2020. I really hope you guys are ready for what's to come. I really want to be the voice of the industry since I don't really want to talk about it here, guys, but if you didn't see my first episode of Talking Savage, it's a new little series I got going on. I'm going to be dropping 2 episodes a week, and we're just going to be talking shit. You know what I'm saying? Talking what's going on in the industry and stuff like that. You know, there's a lot of shit that goes on in the industry, that people don't really don't know about, and they don't want to talk about it. And you know what, man? I don't think it's fair. I don't think it's fair that these people that you guys worship, should be hiding these things from you. But then again, this is a very disgusting industry, and not everybody is who they say they are. So if you didn't see this episode, Talking Savage, episode 1, go watch that video, guys. It's on my channel under Talking Savage series, right? So let's get into this trade, right? So I took these 2 buys here, and I ain't gonna lie, guys. I was like, no, yeah, this is a scaling, 100% scaling. I have this. I call these trades on my Telegram group, guys. You guys can definitely join the channel, guys. It's only $50. I have one of the most affordable signal room in the whole entire industry. If you guys want to come and show some support, trade some GJ with me, get some GJ confluences, confirmations, all that. It's only $50, at least for now. But anyways, again, now let's go back into this trade, right? Now let's go and start off on why I took this trade. What was the mentality around it, right? Oh my God, look at all this. I've been slaughtering GJ, just literally just demolishing it. So as you can see here, man, if you look on the 1 hour, 100%, we have, sorry, we have this area, correct? Now we had a massive fucking push in this area where, LOL, my camera is covering it. There you go. Let me put this. I'm gonna put myself here for a little bit, right? So in this area, we had a massive level of fucking support get tapped into, right? As you can see here, we tapped in here. So I mean, 170, 178, 900 is definitely that fucking level. That's that level, correct? Now, as you can see, we didn't just tap in. We fucking came in, nutted on it, and then walked away, just like how I did some of your girlfriends. You know what I mean? But all right, guys, that's enough with the bullshit. So, I'm very aware of what's going on with GJ. We had a nice little channel. We had a break of the channel. We had a nasty nut. I caught these sells. I rode these buys up, and then I caught the sells down. Correct? And then more sells down here. So on the 1 hour, you already know I got this massive push, and now that price came back up and then came back down to stop out all these buyers. I mean, that's what we call a correction. Correct? So now this whole move was corrected. So all the buyers in this area are no longer in the game. And what did that do? That provided more buying opportunities. So once I saw price fly above this support level that I have at 170 600, because I could have bought here, 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 here. I mean, I could have bought, but I wanted to be in session, guys. I wanted to be disciplined. And as you can see, once I waited to be above this area, it was around 2 something in the morning. This was a very good buy. I really wanted to get in, but I didn't want to get in with the London incoming. You know what I mean? So I waited for the retracement, and once I got the retracement over here, I instantly took that. Look at this. It's also at 0.38 on the fib. So once I took the 0.38 on the fib, basically you already know what was going on, guys. We already know what was going on. We kept respecting that 38 level, and I was actually got really famous for my Fibonacci. So if you guys don't know anything about Fibonacci's, you guys can watch my videos. I have a course on that as well. But once I started seeing the 38 act as a level of support, I already fucking knew. I already knew. I was like, what? 38 level support, rejection on a fib on a retracement? I'm buying. And what did I do? I came back and bought again at the 38 level off the respect, which is right over here, correct? You guys with me? So now look at this, right? So we have buy here, and then we have another buy here. And again, there was a scaling trade over here at 250. And but there you have it. All TP smashed again. And we absolutely fucking slaughtered it, guys. We killed it. But that was basically the psychology around the whole entire trade, man. Once the 1 hour move was corrected, there was a lot of buying opportunities in the market. So all I had to do was wait and be patient to be in session. Correct? I waited for a retracement since price was already flying. Of course, you need liquidity. If there's no liquidity, you will be the liquidity. So, I mean, this was a very self-explanatory trade because, guys, trading is very self-explanatory. if you make it that way. You guys, a lot of you guys complicate your trading, and I don't like that you guys complicate your trading because that's not how it should be, you know? So that's a nice little trade that I did take, and I even scaled up on that. So now what's to hold for our future with GJ? Now I want to go over here on a 30 minute. So we're kind of already looking at the same entire thing. I mean, now we have a huge drop that came down here, and this is what price did. You know, we bought to the correction of the drop. Now, what's to happen? Is this a retracement? Are we gonna be bearish again? Are we gonna do something? I don't know. Are we just gonna go back for a Fibonacci retracement? Remember, everything in life has retracements. You know what I'm saying? You guys are down now, but guess what, man? Your time is coming. You're getting to that 50. You're getting to that 618 level, man. You ready to bounce? I know it. This is your year, and I fucking hope you believe that too, because I believe it. You know, this is the underdog year. Literally, this is all our year, guys, and I hope to see you guys with me. And of course, I hope you guys join the community, and let's be strong again. Anyways, now what's to see with GJ? So we came back to this level, which was a resistance. Now I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't, but all I know is what's happening right now. Now price created these lows, pulled back up, respected resistance again, and now continuing to bleed at 181 psychological. So this right here was about what, 60 pips? This is about a 67 pip drop. Oh my god, it's still dropping. This is about 70 pip drop. Now this is a very nice correction incoming. Now one or two things can happen. Now one or two things can happen, and these are one of the two things that's going to happen in my opinion. I honestly believe that price will come back down, and then it's going to most likely, you see this area where I bought, I think we're going to come back down, and then we're going to stop out these buyers and then probably form some type of support. That's a very high probability because this was a very solid push. Remember, this push right here, it took out all the buys in this area, right? All of these highs. I'm sorry, not buys. All the highs in this area, this candle push, it took all these out. So, I mean, what's to happen next? Again, I don't know, but I can kind of have an idea from basically everything that I've seen and this and that. And there we have it. My boy's texting me like 3 times. Who's this? My bro already told you because he has like 3 different numbers. It's funny. So look at this. That shit was funny. But yeah, I honestly do truly believe that's where we're gonna have it. I mean, it can come down here as well because this was another push that kind of basically took all the buys out as well. But this was the leg. This is the leg. So now we could possibly come to this area, or we can just possibly hit this level and then continue. Either way, that's a very solid Fibonacci right there, right? This would be the 15 to 618 in confluence with this level of support, right? So now this is a what, about a 25 pip gap? Yeah, it's about 20 pips, right? So it's about 20 pips. So you can kind of see yourself within taking buys within this range at 180.700 to 800, but 180.800 is a very strong psychological level of support, guys. So don't hesitate to take buys in that area if you start to see support being formed on that area. Remember, this is right now what's happening is just we're just getting a retracement. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't mean we're selling off. Doesn't mean we're going to completely sell. In my opinion, we're not bearish on GJ unless we're literally trading under 180 400 and 180 100. But to be realistically safe, I don't want to take any sells until we're under this area right over here, which is 170 600 area, correct? So guys, I hope you guys like this video, man. Let me know what you guys want to see for the next one. If you guys want me to start looking at other pairs and giving you guys breakdowns on other pairs, I'll do that as well, man. You know, I'm coming pure pressure. I'm bringing that pressure all 2024, man. I hope you guys learn to love me because I ain't going nowhere. Hey guys, Talking Savage episode 2 dropping soon, man. I appreciate you guys, and that's how we started off 2024, man. Again, don't forget to fucking write down your goals, guys. Look at those goals every single day, and let's fucking slaughter. You know, when I got this PC many years ago, over here I have a Lamborghini in the background, right? It's a little 2016 Lamborghini, but let me tell you something, bro. I had that Lamborghini on my background for 8 years, basically, if you think about it. Ugh, no, not even. Actually, like 6 years. Yeah, I've had this PC for 6 years exactly. So I've had this on my background for 6 years, guys. I manifested my Lambo, and guess what? And for those who don't know, I'm on my 5th Lamborghini. I just got the newest Urus S, and let me tell you, ooh, That car is amazing. So guys, write down your fucking goals, guys, and let's fucking kill it, baby. Let's go.